Watch out for El Rado. El Rado. Hunting El Rado.
I'm uninjured.
Yo, yo, yo. That's leg!
Did you get him?
Hell no, I'm lagging hard. I have a flash. I have a flash. Flash, flash, flash.
Throwing a flash.
Stop saying proximity chat.
That's the only way we could talk. It's team or proximity chat. Look, team. Hello, Ashala. Oh, la, 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 la. See? You got team or you got proximity.
Motherfuckers engages here.
Oh my god, our teammate's so good. Get his ass, get his ass. Ah! Behind you, Joe!
The M16. Yeah. He's an AK? What the
No, he's level 529. Fully prestige, I'm pretty sure.
Let him knife me.
Look at your dumb ass.
Right now, just 30 and 8. I'm 14 and 10. I'm lagging. I think I know why. What if I went back to Steam and paused all my downloads?
Yeah, no wonder your Wi-Fi fucking sucks.
Like, where is this guy? Where's dead? No, did he die? What does this guy have? A nigga with a rocket launcher.
Motherfucker's gonna shoot the wall. Barrel is.
Man, it's peeking angles of a rocket.
I was like, bro, I think physics
Get the
don't work
bread.
like that, G.
I want you to feed a cat.
Woof woof.
Alright. Where the Cuban, right?
Dante, turn that off, bro. Watch. Dante, shut the hell up, bro. Little Bobbin! Fuck, you threw a grenade on. Yo, how do I put a gas mask on?
Just go in.
You have one equipped?
How do I put a gas mask on?
And we won.
How do I put my gas mask on? Oh my god, look at Jaw! Look at Jaw! He got everything!
But you have to.
Jaw crazy.
What should I use? MP5? Don't even have a class made. Alpha AK? Let's use this thing down here. You said B?
These nuts in your throat, man.
Okay.
Watch that.
At
Look.
least for me, it's speed up.
Accessory, gas mask.
I'm ready. Ready. All right, ready.
Flashbang everyone instantly.
No, they'll vote to kick me. So we have to
It's like
defend
the
this
shittiest
Sunday.
glass
Watch out,
break,
they're all
dude.
gonna spawn in here, watch, ready?
I'll flash it.
Oh, I didn't. Did you see that? I smoked our teammate in the leg with it. The gas mask on. Here we go, boys. Come on in. What are these guys?
You fucking suck, man.
Bro, in chat. Did you see chat? It said Jelly Bob attacked our teammate. I hit him with the flashbang in the back of the leg. Do you remember when I spawned in, Dante, and the whole team was in front of me? The first time I played? I'm using this goddamn AK thing. Wait, Dante, look at this, Dante. Should I use a P90? Dante, shut up, bro! Dante, look at my gun. Dante. Dante, do I look like Rook now? Mashallah!
Yeah.
Mashallah! Allah Akbar! Yalla, get it! I got a whole team speaking. Oh my god! Oh! La, 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 la. Did you see us all just spawn in and I hype us up and we all died?